Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram, link is given into description. So the guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one but you get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon code. That coupon code and course link we upload on our blog on our website, and the link of website is given into description. So the guys, let's get started. First course is Intermediate Python Immersive Training. Boost your career, develop your Python programming skill and master next level Python future. The rating of this course is 4.2 and already 53,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn making a Python package, coding regions in Python, generation in Python, Python built-in modules, awesome string formats, and building iterators. This course is completely free, only 10 hours left at this price, and this course includes 2.5 hours on-demand video, 2 articles, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. Second course is JavaScript for beginners, the complete introduction to JS. Learn all the basics of JavaScript and create various basic JavaScript programs and application. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 31,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn create your own basic program with JavaScript, learn at your own pace with different practical exercises at each class, understand basic and more complex JavaScript function, be able to use JavaScript on a daily basis, learn to how to use JavaScript the right way. This course also free, only 10 hours left at this price, and this course include 4 hours on demand video, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The course link and course name is coupon code is uploaded on our website, and link of website is given into a description. Next course is Learn Basics of Adobe After Effects CC 2021 for beginners. Learn basics of After Effects compositioning, visual effects, motion graphics, and animation. This course is also free. The rating of this course is 4.5. And in this course, you will learn text animation, After Effects interface and panels, color effects, editing video using After Effects, what is keyframes and how to use it, creating shape using tools in After Effects. This course includes 34 minutes on-demand video, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is Professional Adobe Photoshop course with advanced training, a course to learn make masking, logo, t-shirt, business card, GIF, modern CV, mockup, mug, retouching, cover, and calendar design. The rating of this course is 4.5, and this course is completely free. Only 20 hours left at this price, and this course includes 10.5 hours on-demand video, 5 download resources. At the end, you get certification of that course. Course is Python Developer Essential 2021 Immersive Bootcamp. Learn the skills you need to become professional and certified Python developer with this competitive training course. In this course, you will learn how to program with Python and write a clean code, syntax and recognize code blocks, the core Python concepts needed to become a dev professional, understanding and analyzing errors, flow control for programs, variables, processing data types, and using maths. This course includes 5.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. This course is a professional certificate in Java programming. Learn the Java from zero to hero, comprehensive step-by-step guidance masterclass. The rating of this course is 4.5 and already 24,465 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn basics of Java programming, collection in Java, exception handling in Java, best practices in object-oriented programming, garbage collection in Java, generics in Java, and at the end of this course, you will be able to develop your Java object-oriented programming skills to face interviews and examinations successfully. The rating of this course is also free, only one day left at this price, and this course includes 6 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. Course link and coupon codes are uploaded on our website, and link of website is given into description. Please check the link and apply for all the courses as soon as possible, because the coupon code may be expired in within 1 or 2 days. So please enroll for that course as early as possible. Thank you.